Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sorry you have been blocked Discord fix problem. So there have been a lot of people who are experiencing this issue. So there are a couple things that we are going to be doing in order to try to fix this one. The first one is being to updating our PC. So how we are going to do it? Just go ahead and type in update. You should see check for updates. Just go ahead and click this one right here. As you can see, I have just updated my PC, but in your case, if this has been updated for quite a while, just go ahead and hit check for updates in here. Now, if there are necessary updates, go ahead and install that one. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to disable our Microsoft Defender firewall. So just go ahead and type here firewall and you should see an option that says firewall and network protection. Go ahead and open this one and then we are going to go ahead and click the domain network and then we are going to have to disable this one to see if this works for you, and then if not, go ahead and enable it once again. Try another solution short in here. Now if you have already disabled the Microsoft firewall, go ahead and try to restart your PC and see if it's going to work or not. Now this time I'm going to go ahead and show you how to try to fix this one using our web browser. So first thing first, go ahead and click this one right here and go ahead and click manage extensions. Now if you have recently installed an extension that you think might be hindering your Discord, go ahead and remove that one. So just go ahead and click the remove button just like so. And you are going to do the same thing for all the others that you think might be one of the reason why this one is happening. After doing that one, go ahead and try to open your Discord once again and see if it works or not. Now the next thing we are going to try is clearing our browsing data. So we are just going to go ahead and hit Ctrl H and then you should see something like this. Click clear browsing data, hit advanced and then we are going to click this one right here. We are going to choose all the time. Now go ahead and try to check everything in here and hit clear data just like so, and there you go. Now again go ahead and open the Discord, and if it still doesn't work, the last thing that we are going to do is update our browser. So go ahead and click three dots in the top right corner and then go ahead and scroll down until you see help and then click on about Google Chrome. So as you can see, it is updating my Chrome right now. So that is very important. We are just going to have to wait for this one to be done. So seems like there is an update. So we are going to relaunch this one. Alright, Chrome is up to dated. So yes, those are the things that you are going to do in order to try to fix this problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.